Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Najla Rifalara Sakti from absent 126. I am from class 127. Here I want to explain the material about narrative text. Okay, one is definition. Definition of narrative text. What is narrative text? Narrative text is a type of text that tells a series of events, both real and imaginary, chronologically to entertain the reader. Okay, next is the purpose narrative text. The aim of narrative text is to entertain the readers through the amusing story. Okay, next is generic structure of narrative text. One is orientation. This is the opening section of a narrative text. This section introduces the character and the setting of the story, including the place, time, atmosphere, and social situation or setting. Two is complication. This section contains the problems that arise in the story. In more detail, complication is divided into three parts. 1. Rising action. The problem begins to emerge. 2. Climax. The peak of the problem. And 3. Falling action. The tension of the problem begins to decrease and a resolution begins to be found. Okay, 3 is resolution. This section contains the resolution or conclusion of a narrative text. A story can conclude with a happy ending, a sad ending, or a cliffhanger. 4. Reorientation. This final section of the narrative text structure usually contains a conclusion, a moral message, or a change in character at the end of the story. Reorientation is optional because it is not always required in a narrative text. Okay, next is language feature of narrative text. One is using simple past tense. Narrative text usually use the simple past tense because they tell events or stories that have already occurred. Two, using adverbs of time. Adverbs of time are words that describe when an event occurred, how long it lasted, and how often it occurred. Okay, three is using adjectives. Adjectives are words used to describe nouns and pronouns. Four, using noun phrases. Noun phrases are words that function as nouns. Okay everyone, the last is example. Examples of narrative text include classic fairy tales such as Malin Kundang and Bawang Merah Bawang Putih, legends such as The Legend of Lake Toba, and fictional short stories. Okay everyone, that's enough explanation of the material from me about narrative text. Thank you and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.